Let's get started. So in this video, we will talk about the recent issue of Microsoft that occurred globally. In this issue, Microsoft applications is getting crashed, especially on Windows Server 2016. So Microsoft have already given one workaround, and with the recent update, if you see the issue is resolved. So most likely we need to update our application, which is Microsoft Suite. So we'll have to update it, and we have one workaround down the bottom. If you scroll this down, so we'll have to run this command in command prompt. So let me copy this and go back to command prompt. In command prompt, we need to use this and then run this command. So basically this command is updating the Office version, which is version 16.0.18227.20152. Once we hit enter, this will update our Office application. After restarting the system, we would be able to use this application without any issue. So with this article, we have the resolution. However, we can also get this resolution under a message center. If we go back to our admin center, under service health, you will see this. Some users Microsoft applications may be unexpectedly crashing on Windows Server 2016 devices. So if you open this and by following this step, we can perform the task and we would be good to go. However, by any chance, if this does not work, we can simply remove Office application. We may need to do complete installation and then reinstallation. I'll be giving this link in description and steps as well. That's it for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.